back in the 1705, this was a slave hospital where we used to house 300 slaves. At the bottom, it got 150 beds, and at the top, it got another 150. The slave also died, get sick from malaria. So some of them buried them out in the orange field, and some of them buried along here. So over here, it used to be the doctor's quarters where the doctors used to be kept. So back then, they never normally go out to hospital. What John Top did, he brought in his own doctors to stay here at Good Hope. If you guys visit the Great House, that's where the owner, John Top, used to be living. Right here is the front door to the entrance of the slave hospital. What it is now is actually a bird aviary, where back then it was destroyed in 1988 by Hurricane Gilbert. So now the owners said they're not gonna fix it up anymore. They're just gonna let it stay like this and just have it to house birds. So it's what you see here. So all of these guys you're looking at is historic.